Hey, superstar, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. And guess what? Imagine right now making $15 every 10 minutes using GameStop. This is a technique that is absolutely powerful, but it won't make you rich. I'm gonna put a disclaimer out there. It won't make you rich, but it will bring in some money to pay your rent, pay your car note, a couple of meals, right? Until you learn how to make money online on autopilot, which I'm gonna show you at the end of this video here. But I want you to pay attention, okay? I want you to pull out your laptop and do this with me. If you can hear my voice, go ahead and smash the like button, baby. So the site that you want to go to is called linksly.co, okay? Can somebody comment that below, okay? If you can see this, smash the like buttons, because sometimes my iPhone is not working properly. And I'm sorry I'm using my iPhone, but first of all, you know, this GameStop deal, the great thing about this technique, you don't have to buy any GameStop. As a matter of fact, you shouldn't buy any GameStop because you're going to lose a ton of money because you don't know what the hell you're doing. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm not buying the stock either, so you shouldn't as well. But listen, please type down linksly.co. Kind of brand new website, and these guys basically, it is a shortened URL and you can earn money. So basically, you just put a URL right here, such as, we'll put in wesleyvirgin.com. Let's do this. I'll put in wesleyvirgin.com because I'm gonna show you how to get paid. You might say, well, Wesley, how does this site pay you? I'm gonna show you proof. Look, and you hit this button right here. It's really simple to do, actually, okay? And you let it do its thing. Bada boom, bada bing, bada bing, right? It's gonna generate a new link right here. That's the link that you're gonna copy here, okay? And then you just basically take that link and you just paste it here, and then you'll see a page like this. Now, what's important about this page is what you see here is what is called advertisement. So people, they're spending a lot of money paying this site. So when the person that clicks that link, they go here, they see the advertisement, then they click off, they click here that I'm not a robot, and then they actually go to the actual website. But these people here, Carfax, right? And these other sites, they're paying Linksly a lot of money, and that's how you get paid, okay? Now, I know the next question is, listen, you might say, well, Wesley, how much do they pay me to click the link? Good question. First, let me show you proof. This is payment proof, okay? These are people right now every single day that are making money. 128 here, 835, $4 per year, $3 here, $4, $8. But like I said, listen, I'm gonna show you how to make the money online and make basically $15 every 10 minutes by doing this. Is that cool? So people are making money, okay? They're making money all over the world by doing this. And it's a couple of dollars a day, right? It's nothing like making like $50 to $100 a day. That's like $3,000 a month, basically having people click your link, okay? Are you with me? Smash the like button. Now listen, I know what your question is right now. Well, Wesley, how much do they pay me? Publisher rates is right here, and this is all the different countries here, and they're paying like for United States of America here. If you're with me, guys, smash the like button, please. $6, right? So they're gonna pay you $6 for every 1,000 views. Now listen, I know some of you may say, Wesley, that's 1,000 views. Come on, how am I gonna get people to click on this link 1,000 times? Well, that's why you're watching the video. This is why you love me, because I'm gonna show you a technique that's gonna blow your mind using GameStop. And you can use anything, but GameStop is hot right now, so we're gonna use that, and you're gonna see how simple it is to get thousands of people to click it every freaking 10 minutes. So every 10 minutes, you'll do the same thing, and you'll see your money pop up, okay? So that's all you gotta do. You wanna basically log in, get your account. I already have myself an account, I believe. Let me go to my dashboard. This is a brand new account right here. You see that? And as a matter of fact, let me log out and log back in here so I can show you proof. This is the site here. You sign up. Any country can do this. If you have a PayPal, Payoneer account, you're good to go. They're gonna pay you. You log in right here. As you can see, this is my personal account that I just created for you for this video here. Like Me Now is my username. You see that? Like Me Now is my username. I'm gonna click on this. This is very simple. How many of you are actually doing this with me? If you're smart, you're doing it. If you're not doing this with me, you're pretty dumb. You know, it just doesn't make sense. Because I'm a multi-millionaire, okay? And like I said, this is not meant for you to make millions of dollars, but it will bring in cash while you're in the pandemic right now, okay? So let me put this stuff in right here. Motorcycle, okay? All right. Is everybody with me? Say, Wesley, I'm with you. Comment below. If you're with me right now, say you're with me. Okay, so this is the account here. This is where you manage the links, and this is the referrals. Here are the invoices, and this is where you start to get paid right here. And these guys will pay you every single day, basically. Okay, all you need is like $5. After $5, they're gonna pay you over and over again. Now, listen. This is what you have to do to get the link to go on, get it, going on fire. Okay, does it make sense? So look at this. I'm gonna show you something. Go to youtube.com, okay? And what I want you to do, I want you to click on the word trending. Now, this is important. Pay close attention. This is how you get thousands of people basically to click on your link without doing anything. And I want you to do exactly what you see. I want you to apply it, and you'll see how this thing works, okay? Now, right now, what's trending is GameStop, okay? I want everybody to comment the word GameStop below. GameStop, right? And guess what? You don't have to buy any stock. We don't need to short any stock. You don't need to get a trading portfolio. None of that. But I'm going to show you how to use trending topics like this to make a ton of money. So we see this video right now. It's been viewed about 1 million times in one day. So we know right now this video is getting a lot of views, right? On autopilot, right? It may clear 2 million tomorrow because it's trending. It's like #1 right now on freaking YouTube. So now what you do is, now listen, open up another tab, type in YouTube. Then what you want to do is this, type in GameStop, okay? Is everybody with me? Okay, type in GameStop. This is powerful. I know a lot of people that's doing this right now, and they're making a killing. I mean, they're not making like $1 million, but I know a kid that's making like a couple of grand a month right now doing this. Now look, so that's GameStop, right? And so what you want to do is, you can take anyone in this video. Let's take this one, okay? Boom, boom, boom. And what we want to do is we're going to take this GameStop video, okay? We're going to click on that URL. You see that right there? Is everybody with me? Smash the like, please. If you're loving this, smash the like button, because you should be getting excited right now. Listen to this. Look at it. Then what I'm going to do is, this is how crazy this is, right? I'm going to go back to my link site here, okay? And I'm going to look at my tools, okay? I'm going to click on Mass Shrinker, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste that. See how easy this is? This is simple. Comment below and say that this is easy. It really is. Look at that. You're going to copy that link. Copy this link like so. And then you want to go here. This is a script that I'm going to use, and you can use it as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the script that says breaking news about GameStop that they don't want you to know, that they don't want you to see, or you can say that they don't want you to know about, okay? You're going to copy that. Are you guys with me? Am I moving too fast? Smash the like button and share this if I'm moving too fast, right? Because I want more people to see this. Because listen, you're going to pay your rent with this month. This is the goal. You're going to pay some gas or whatever, right? So look, you want to go back to that video, right, that we had right here. And then you want to just comment right here in the comment section. See, the great thing about this video has been viewed like millions and millions of times, obviously, right, today. So the thing is, what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the actual comment section. Breaking news about GameStop that they don't want you to see, or they don't want you to know about, right? And then people are going to be like, what is it? Click. Does that make sense? All right. And all you do is you just comment that information below. Are you guys with me? Does that make sense? That's all you do, okay? You just take a trending video and you just comment under the trending video, right? Or whatever, right? Comment under the trending video, okay? Right? Does that make sense? And basically what I just gave you right here, and leave the comment. And then what happens is when people start to watch that video, they're going to see your tagline here. And listen, you don't have to have 1 million people watch it. If you have 1,000 people, so let's do the math. Say if, remember, every 1,000 is $6 in the United States of America, okay? So let's bring out my calculator here. Is everybody with me? Let's bring out my calculator right here, okay? So listen, if I get 2,000 people, that's $12, okay? $12 in 10 minutes. Because you got to understand something. people are watching this video over and over again. And look at this. Let me show you something else. Look. You can do it on this. Look, 300 GameStop game stumps, like whatever that means. So I go here, I click on the video, okay? I go to the comment section, and I just comment the exact link again, right? I just do it again over and over again. Now listen, if you have any problem with the link, you can also go to another website. Let me give you another website. Does that make sense? Smash the like button if you can do that. Please do that. But let me give you more value because I want to make sure you win. You can go to another site called shrinkme.io. Listen, I use several of these websites. They're really powerful here. And you do the same exact thing again here, right? We're gonna log in, and as you can see here, my login is going to be, come on now, let's go. Let me see here. Boat. Do my captures here. Boat. My captures here, okay? Let me try this again. All right, there we go. Log in. Look at that. Like me now is my username. Like me now is my username here. I'm not a robot. And what I'm showing you is just another site that you can use that has another shrink URL that you can use the same technique. Does that make sense, guys? Is everybody with me so far? Okay. It's very simple to do, actually. Doesn't take that long to do. And the great thing about it, once you put the link, it just runs on autopilot for you. So if you get like 2,000 people to do it per day, that's $12. Then that's $12. But you can do it like not just one time, just do it every 10 minutes. Just keep doing it until you make the amount of money that you want to make. Does that make sense? Make $100 a day, doing that 10 times a day, okay? So look, here's another website right here. It's real powerful here. If you're with me, go ahead and smash the like button if you like me, okay? Listen, if you hate me, smash the like button anyway, and I give you $1. Let's get it. Listen, all right, so we're gonna scroll down here, okay? I'm gonna go to Tools, smash Shrinker here, okay? See how simple this is? And we're gonna go back to that Jimmy Cramer video, by GameStop, right? We're gonna go right back. I'm showing you guys again. And remember, if you need to watch it again, watch this video again. Be smart, right? Because I know you don't get it the first time, right? And you copy that link right there, okay? And then I go back here again, right? And listen, like right here, you can just have fun right here. That makes sense? It could be breaking news. It can be the news they don't want you to know about GameStop. Please watch this before you buy another share of GameStop. Because you want to just get people to click it. Because once they click it, you basically pay. Does that make sense? All they need to do is click it. Okay? They click it, you get paid. So you want to have thousands of people using trending videos on YouTube. So many people are doing this, by the way. And now I've exposed it to you. Okay? Go back to trending again. See that? We can click on here, right? It's another video that's going viral right now on YouTube. And the great thing about YouTube, you can just put stuff in the comment section, right? Because the comment section, once you place your information or your link, then people start to click, right? Because people always go to the comments. That's just the name of the game here. Okay, let me do a refresh here. See if we're gonna get these comments up real quickly here. Taking a while. My computer's a little slow. I guess my internet sucks today. But it's all good. But you guys get the point, right? You get it? All you do is, let me do this. Let me just open it up in another browser here. Give me 1 second, guys. I just want to make sure you get this. I'm going to use right here. Look at that. All right.
Now, the danger is...
See that right there? And see? Boom, boom, boom. You just put it in there. Okay, I'm sorry. Here we go. Let me go back here. Okay, here we go. See that right here? We copy and paste that. Please screenshot that right now. And I go back here. And all you do is, look, you just hit the word comment. See, it's there. Boom. See? Breaking news about GameStop that they don't want you to know about. People are going to click here. So listen, you get 1,000 people every 10, 20 minutes to do that. You just get paid over and over again. This is a trending video. It's being watched like tomorrow's going to be watched like millions of times, right? Over and over again. So you want to make sure that you have your link here. And the great thing about this, listen, is that you can keep doing this over and over again, like every day. Every new trending video, every new, let me show you something, guys. All right, look, every new trending video here, every single day, you can continue to do this over and over and over again. Listen, did that make sense? Now, how many of you understand that this is a good way to make money, but you won't get rich? Now, listen, this is my number one major recommendation to make $10,000 a month. How many of you want to make $10,000 a month online from your bedroom, okay? Let me show you. I've never showed this before until today. Well, maybe I've showed it before, but if you're brand new to my videos, here it is. Boom, here it is. This is my number one recommendation to make $10,000 100% if you put in the work online during the pandemic. Here's the link. And as a matter of fact, I'll put a link below. Listen, you deserve to live the life that you want. Some of you right now, you're in your bedroom. Some of you at your job. Some of you in school. Some of you are doing things that you don't want to do. Listen, it's possible. Comment those words below. It's possible. But what all rich people do is they take massive action. Go look at it. I've had hundreds of people that are making over $10,000 a month using this technique right here. This is the number one recommendation. I will leave it in the description below. You can click it. Thanks for subbing to the channel. Listen, if I gave you massive value as you decide to click that link right now to make your first $10,000 per month, smash the like button, right? So other people know about it. It's good for the YouTube algorithm. It's good for you. It's good for the universe. And we'll all make money. This is Wesley. $1 billion dollar virgin. Let's get it, baby. Later.